The John Forrest Award is a residential communication training course offered to agri-professionals like us. John Forrest was a progressive and innovative farmer keen on encouraging better communication skills throughout the industry.
And why did I apply? I wanted to improve my communication skills. So let's get going.
And during the course we have polished our presentation skills.
And another great thing that we've learned is how to use props to get key messages across. So I work with the cabbage stem flea beetle and I use this pooter to catch them with.
I work in soils research. So why am I holding a bottle of Prosecco? Well, for every bottle of Prosecco produced, 4.4 kilos of soil is lost to soil erosion. That's 3 times as much in this bag. I'm helping to reduce soil erosion in the UK.
I have learned how to take and use great photos like this.
And I've learnt how to maximise publicity opportunities if I get approached to do a radio interview with equipment like this.
And on television.
We've been learning how to sharpen our writing skills.
Look, not there!
And I've really loved this course because it's taught me how to communicate, thinking outside of the box.
And we've learnt to effectively chair discussions. Richard, what are you doing to reduce your carbon emissions at home on the farm?
Films are such a great way to communicate, and we've learnt to shoot and edit ones like this.
We'd like to thank our sponsors, the Felix Cobbold Trust and the Morley Agricultural Foundation, for this fantastic course. And if you want to improve your communication, then apply for the next course.